To lead off the Nicholas Academic Center's third annual Chapman Visiting Scholar Series, Chapman University's Chancellor, Dr. Daniele Strupa, talked with NAG students about having fun with mathematics.
What was that kept taking me back to mathematics? And I think that what it is that mathematics, there are lots of strange things that happen. And so I was always curious to understand why they happen. And so what I'd like to try to show you today is some of these strange things. I mean, they're not uber strange, but somewhat strange, and try to figure out why they are. Okay, so we play a couple of simple games, and we see something that is not obvious to begin with, and then we try to figure out why. And the answer is really going to be hidden in what I just wrote here. The answer is how we write numbers makes all the difference.
During the lecture, Dr. Strupa demonstrated a number of mathematical magic tricks, which he used to explain basic math principles. Among the topics he covered, Dr. Strupa discussed digit checks and greatest common denominators. In a blind exercise, Dr. Strupa used a permutation formula to determine which color marker the students had chosen while he looked away.
So I show to everybody, that's the one I pick, okay? Because that's the one I pick, I flip the other two. And Daniele is not going to know which one. And then I'm going to be loud and I'm going to say, now I flip 1 and 2, now I flip 2 and 3, now I flip 1 and 3, and now everything's back to its place. Okay? Okay. 2 and 3, okay. I would say you pick the black. Thank you. All the instructions that you hear here are simply the original transformation. So if I can keep track of what's happening in all these steps, I have exactly the one that I wanted to get.
Because when you start to recognize these patterns, like the mathematical patterns that occur when you solve math equations, it's like recognizing patterns when you communicate to people, like understanding body language, understanding how people communicate through like emotions. You recognize all these patterns just how you recognize patterns in math.
So it was math in a different perspective, which made me more passionate about it, knowing that there's still that in me, that I love math, and engaging myself and trying to figure it out was like awesome, because I never really get the chance to do this at school, because in school it's always like try to solve it and get one answer. So yeah, it's a different approach to it.
Exposing students to college lectures is one of the many ways the Nicholas Academic Centers help prepare students for a collegiate environment. Dr. Henry Nicholas, co-founder, former co-chairman, president, and CEO of Broadcom Corporation, and retired Superior Court Judge Jack Mandel, founded the centers in 2008 to help inner-city youth increase their academic potential and gain entry into college. Since the centers were established in 2008, over 230 students have graduated, with 100% of them enrolling and going on to college, compared to 61% for Hispanic high school students. 95% of NAC students attending four-year colleges continue to be enrolled, compared to a retention rate of only 75% for students nationally.